Hello, friends. This is Beth Creaky with eXp Realty, and right now I'm just kind of chilling out on this porch. But I should tell you where I am, right? You want to know? Of course you do. Well, I am in the Fisher Homes neighborhood of Bridal Run in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm just kind of hanging out on this porch. I know I mentioned that, but it's like super, super awesome. And in a minute, you guys are going to go in and check this out without me, right? Yeah. Okay. Maybe not. I'll come with you. But anyway, this is the Wyatt, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I feel like maybe before I tell you more about it, let's go in and check it out, and maybe you can get me up off this rocking chair. Let's go. Come on. So as we walk in, the office is right here on the left, and it is a very large office space. Lots of windows. You're going to hear me talk about the big windows in this house, and they are stunning.
I love that this office too has a solid door.
It
so
does.
If you're messy, like some people, you can at least
you can close it up like this and be like, "Hi." Yeah, great, like window space. Yeah, it is a great place. And then there's a half bath right out, right on the inside of the door here, and a coat closet.
Everybody needs a coat closet.
Yes, everybody does need a coat closet. And then the open floor plan is insane in this one. This floor plan is about 2,700 square feet. Again, we are touring the Wyatt. There's a half bath on this floor. It's 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. And this has a beautiful island. And this is wallpaper, by the way. We've been touching all of the wallpaper all day long. And there's a room upstairs that we're going to show you. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's wallpaper. Just saying. Doesn't look like it. And then we have a huge pantry inside this one. With a window.
I like a window in the pantry.
I love a window in the pantry. I know, me too. Me too. There's also a patio off the dining room. We can kind of open this up so you can check it out.
I love that it's covered.
I know, me too. And there's a ceiling fan.
And you could probably, if you wanted to, make this like an all seasons room.
Oh, 100%. The treed lot. I love, it's such, like, so much privacy. I'm like going to say watch your step, but you know, probably don't need to hear me say that. Gas fireplace. Then there is, on the other side of the kitchen wall, there is the garage, but with this being a model home, it is an office right now. So, you know, we don't want to interrupt them working. So we're just going to like squeeze by. They have this other den space right here as a bar, which I think is so cool.
It's a really neat idea.
It is a neat idea. Great use of the space.
You could make this a formal dining room.
You could.
More space.
Yeah, 100%.
That was quite a large table.
It is a huge table.
More windows.
Lots of
light.
Yep. Another great view. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. And just like a lot of the other homes we've seen in Fisher Homes, they love a loft.
I love a loft.
I love a loft too. Like this one is so cool.
You can just do so much different stuff.
You can.
It can be another living room. It can be
right. It could be a family. You know, yes. It could be toy room, and then keeps
homeschool. This could be your
classroom. How smart! All right, let's go check out this first bedroom at the top of the steps. Be careful. This has a really great closet in it.
Good size. Plenty of room.
It is. By the way, and I think that it seems darker in here, and it's mostly because of the wallpaper. So in the colors, I want to say that because I feel like other videos that we've done in the past have been brighter, and I think it's just the paint.
Yeah, this one does have a little bit of a darker.
Yeah, and maybe it's the doors too. Laundry room, again, that laundry room having that upstairs is so phenomenal. Love this bedroom. Huge, huge bedroom, I think.
Lots of space.
Yeah, another big walk-in closet. And then as we walk back out, there's a very nice sized full bath.
Hi.
Thank you. Don't you love seeing Tara on the camera? Look at her. Isn't she cute?
And look, this one even comes with, instead of double sinks, it's got a makeup station.
Yeah, which I love. I would totally use that.
Depends on if your spouse is a good counter.
Yeah. What do you have one of those?
A very stingy one. I have no space.
No space. You need nothing. Again with the loft, and then another really great size. Okay, so this is the bedroom we were talking about with the cool wallpaper. Okay, does this not look like actual barn wood? It is not. It looks like you're going to get a splinter. You are not. I love this so much. I know, we're ridiculous about it. Also, here's the closet. Great, you know, it's just a simple little closet, but
Little clothes.
I know. None of us have baby fever. All right, let's go check out the primary bedroom. Wait till you see the windows in here.
Obsessed.
We are so obsessed with the windows in here. I just love it so much.
I mean, it's unique.
It is.
It's different from your typical 1, 2, 3, or 2.
Oh, right. I mean, this window across the top is, I mean, like, it gives you privacy.
It
does. It does. Fisher Homes has done a beautiful job with this Wyatt. I'm not even kidding. I know, me too. Although I don't have the money for that. But wait till you see this bathroom, the shower. Oh, what do you love best about the shower?
Well, I personally think it is rather clever to have put the bench sideways instead of
at the end. One end. Yes, long ways.
I don't know that I would have ever thought of that.
I don't know either.
And I don't think I've ever seen it either.
Well, and I don't think I have either, quite honestly. But I just love this whole vibe of this room.
Yeah, and it even has a private toilet room.
Yes, it does.
Door,
which we always love.
I personally think that's kind of a necessity these days.
Yes, well, you know, again with the privacy. So another big closet and a linen closet. And let me get out of your way. I'm so sorry.
You're just going to go right back behind you and walk in.
I know. And I'm going to move and go this way. There you go. Perfect. Mm-hmm. And I don't know if I've mentioned before in the past or if you've seen any of my videos, but I do love very much having a window in the primary bedroom's closet. I love that very much. And if you haven't already noticed, Tara also agrees.
Yes, very much so.
Yeah.
I need to know, is this navy or is this black?
Right, 100%, because I can't tell when the lighting isn't right. So this was the Wyatt. I wonder what you think about it. You have to let us know. So we just finished touring. Well, you just finished touring the Wyatt here at Bridal Run, Fisher Homes neighborhood. And I hope you loved it. And I know I enjoyed here. I'm a little bit obsessed with this front porch and this rocking chair. But if you like this video, my team and I, we do these videos all the time. And if you want to catch more of them, make sure that you like or subscribe. And we'll see you around town. Well, you'll see other people in my team around town. I'll probably still be here.